Hola, soy Ankita. Welcome again. So, yesterday we have studied about the Spanish numbers, alphabets, and their sounds, right? Okay, so in today's session, we are going to start with our introduction. Okay, let's see how to present ourselves. 1 minute. All right. Okay, so here is your screen. Okay, yeah. Unidad uno means chapter 1, amigos, right? Okay, so do you have any idea what's the meaning of amigos? It is very common. Hmm. Amigos means friends. Okay. Okay, so next we have some questions about our introduction. Okay, so first it is highlighted un gusto conocerle. It is an expression that means a pleasure to meet you, right? Okay, so in Spanish, sometimes it happens when we can't translate each and every word to English language, because if we go for this pattern, we can't reach to a proper meaning. Some phrases and some words we have to understand with our heart. What's the meaning of that? So here, un gusto conocerle means a pleasure to meet you or a nice to meet you. Clear? Okay, so first is in first question he is asking ¿Cómo te llamas? Right? ¿Cómo te llamas? Okay, see here ¿Cómo te llamas? Okay, so what's the meaning of this? ¿Cómo te llamas means how do you call yourself? Right? In English we basically ask what is your name, right? But in Spanish the way of asking a name is different. We don't say what is your name, we basically ask how you call yourself, right? तुम खुद को कैसे बुलाते हो means the person is asking the name, what is your name, right? So we have to understand the meaning here. And then he replied me llamo Ramos, right? I call myself Ramos. Okay. So let's see in question it is starting with the sign of interrogation mark in opposite and ending with the sign of interrogation mark in its original position, right? So होता क्या है कि स्पेनिश में हम किसी भी सेंटेंस को इंटरोगेटिव बनाने के लिए सेंटेंस के स्टार्टिंग में भी क्वेश्चन मार्क पुट करते हैं और एंडिंग में भी, राइट? स्टार्टिंग में हम ऑपोजिट साइन यूज करेंगे और लास्ट में हम उसे उसकी ओरिजिनल फॉर्म में पुट करेंगे, राइट? सो हियर कोमो मीन्स हाउ. Okay, te means te is a personal pronoun of the verb llamarse. I'll explain the verb later. I can't describe the verb this time because you will be little bit confused. Okay, अभी नहीं बताऊंगी, बाद में बताऊंगी. अभी थोड़ा सा हम introduction देखते हैं. ठीक है, como te llamas? So te llamas is a conjugated verb and te is a personal pronoun of the verb llamarse. So basically the original verb is llamarse. It means to call oneself. And te llamas is you call yourself. Te is yourself and llamas is you call. Okay, so basically person पूछ रहा है कि आप खुद को कैसे बुलाते हैं. Okay, como means how. Then the person responds, me llamo Ramos. Llamo means I call, me is myself, and Ramos is the name of a person. I call myself Ramos. Right? So what is the pattern of a sentence formation? In first place, we have to put the person pronoun, that is me. Llamo is I call, and Ramos is the name of a person. Clear? Okay, let's see the next question. ¿Cuál es tu apellido? Okay, ¿cuál es tu apellido means what is your surname? Apellido means surname or we can say last name. ¿Cuál here it means what? But in original form it means which. Sometimes the original meaning of ¿cuál is which, but sometimes we also use it for what? When we ask about someone information, राइट। जब आप किसी के बारे में बात करते हो, किसी इंफॉर्मेशन के बारे में आप पूछते हो, तब आप क्वाल यूज करोगे। बट इन ओरिजिनल फॉर्म जो हमारा क्वाल है उसका मीनिंग क्या होता है? विच। क्वाल इज टू apellido. What is your surname or last name? Apellido is last name. Ace means is, two is your, and apellido is last name or surname. Okay, then the answer is mi apellido is Carlos. Mi apellido is Carlos. Mi is my. My surname or last name is Carlos. Okay, so don't confuse on this. There is first is me, me is me, and mi is me. Me means myself and me means my, my. Okay, so here he's saying mi apellido is Carlos. My last name or surname is Carlos. Okay, next third question we have de donde eres. De donde eres. De, it means of or from. De, the word de has two meanings in Spanish. Now it is our understanding. We have to understand the meaning of de. It depends on the situation or the sentence. De donde eres. Donde is where. Eres is you are. Okay, so here it means from where you are, right? Okay, then the answer is yo soy de Inglaterra. I am from England. Okay, yo soy de Inglaterra. Yo is a personal pronoun we are using for I. Soy means the verb is say, it is conjugated in yo form, it means I am. It shows the person is that we are talking about the first person. They means of. Inglaterra is England. I am from England. And next, yo soy English. I am English. So here the person is expressing his nationality, that he is a English or American. Okay, yo soy English. Okay, so next question regarding introduction is ¿Cuántos años tienes? ¿Cuántos años tienes? Okay, ¿Cuántos means how many? Años is years. Tienes is you have. So in Spanish, we ask the age or we describe the age with the verb tener. That means to have. In English, we basically ask how many years are you old. Right? हम have verb use नहीं करते, but हम Spanish में have verb को use करते हैं. Cuantos is how many, años is years, and tienes is you have. So the answer is yo tengo 22 años. Yo, that I informed, yo is a personal pronoun for I, tengo is have, and for 22, what do we call 22 in Spanish? 22 años is years. I have 22 years. Then next is a qué te dedicas? ¿A qué te dedicas? To what do you do? Okay, so ¿a qué te dedicas is an expression the person is asking about your profession. To what are you dedicated yourself? To which thing you dedicate yourself? Means what do you do? What is your profession? Okay, so the person is saying yo trabajo en una fábrica. Yo means I. Trabajo means work in una fábrica, in a factory. Okay, fábrica here it means factory. Yo trabajo en una fábrica. I work in a factory. Clear? So, do you have any doubt in the introduction part? No? Okay, alright. Next, there are some person who are describing themselves and we are going to read their introduction. Okay, so what do we call the introduction in Spanish? La introducción. La introducción. Okay, la introducción. La means the and introducción is introduction. First is Tengo 22 años. I have 22 years. Next, me llamo Ria. I call myself Ria. Llamo is I call, me is myself, and Ria is the name of a girl. I call myself Ria. Next, Soy India. Soy India means I am Indian. Soy means I am. India is a nationality. They Rajasthan. Okay. So अब यहाँ पे राजस्थान चेंज नहीं होगा. It is a name of a place. Right? हम इसको अपनी ही लैंग्वेज में प्रोनाउंस करेंगे. Because it's a name of a city and it's an Indian city. Right? So next we have yo soy estudiante. Yo soy estudiante means I am a student. Yo soy estudiante, I am a student. Clear? Yo means I, soy means I am, estudiante is a student. It is a profession. Then we have tengo un perro. Tengo un perro means I have a dog. Tengo means I have. Un is an article, that means a. Perro is dog. Que se llama Marcel, whose name is Marcel. Clear? Next we have Miss Aficiones son bailar y cantar. Miss is my, but in plural form. Okay, if your noun is in plural form, if you are talking about something plural, then for my it will be miss. And if you are talking about something singular thing, then for my it will be am, I, me. Okay, Miss Aficiones, my hobbies. Aficiones is hobbies. Son are bailar y cantar. And now bailar and cantar are verbs. Cantar is to sing and bailar is to dance. My hobbies are to dancing and to singing. But here हमारी जो bailar और cantar है ये infinitive form में है, means unconjugated verb. Okay, clear this? All right. Okay, so next we have, okay, next is another girl. Let's see what she is saying. Me llamo Carolina y soy chilena. Soy profesora. Me llamo Carolina means I call myself Carolina. Okay, because her name is Carolina. Y soy chilena and I am from Chile and I am a Chilean. Soy profesora. Soy means I am. Profesora is a teacher. I am a teacher. Okay. Next we have hola, hello. Soy Juan. I am Juan. Soy español. I am Spanish. Y estudio español and I study Spanish. Right? Okay. After that we have buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. Okay, buenas tardes is an expression for good afternoon. Buenas is good, tardes is afternoon. Good afternoon, soy Andrea. Soy means I am. Andrea is the name of a person. Soy Andrea. Tengo, I have 26 años. I have 26 years. Y and trabajo de cocinero. I work, trabajo means I work de cocinero. Cocinero is a profession, means cook. I work as a cook. Clear? Okay. So next introduction we have of a girl and she is saying Me llamo Lucia. Me llamo Lucia. I call, llamo means I call, me is myself, Lucia is the name of a girl. I call myself Lucia. Soy, I am estadounidense. Okay, so estadounidense is the nationality for United States. I am from United States. I am American. Soy periodista. Periodista is a Periodista is a profession. Okay, periodista means journalist. Soy means I am a journalist. Then last we have hola, hello. Somos Paula. Somos means we are. Paula y Ana. We are Paula y Ana. Paula and Ana are the name of these two girls. Somos Italianas. We are Italians. Somos actrices. We are actresses. Clear? So this was the introduction part. Clear? Okay. Let's move ahead. Okay. So next topic we have aficiones. Aficiones. Aficiones means hobbies. Okay. And question is, ¿qué aficiones tienes tú? ¿Qué means what? Aficiones is hobbies. Tienes means the verb is conjugated in two form, you have, and two is a personal pronoun, you. What hobbies do you have? Then the answer is Miss Aficiones son. My hobbies are, first is cocinar, to cook, jugar el football, to play the football, tocar la guitarra, to play the guitar, cantar is to sing, leer is to read, and viajar is to travel. Clear? So cocinar is a verb to cook. Jugar el football. Jugar is a verb to play the football. Tocar la guitarra. So remember always, for any instrument, if we are talking about the instrument, so with instrument we have to use the verb tocar. Okay, tocar la guitarra with any instrument. For singing, cantar, leer, it's leer, not lead. Okay, leer is to read and viajar is to travel. So with this pattern you can express your hobbies. And what do we call hobbies in Spanish? Aficiones. ठीक है? Clear? Okay. So next we have exercise. Yeah. So in exercise he's saying complete el formulario con sus datos personales. Complete the form with your personal data. Okay, so it is complete, not the complete. Complete means complete, el formulario, the form, con means with, sus means there. Datos personales is personal data. So here you have a page, you have a form in which you have to fill your personal data. Starting with the nombre, nombre is name, apellido is surname, edad is age, profesión is profession, teléfono is your mobile number, lugar de nacimiento, lugar means place, nacimiento is birth, place of birth. Okay, and the last is aficiones is your hobbies. Clear? So this is your homework. You have to fill this form. Okay, so in today's session this is all about the introduction part. Okay, we have studied how can we express our hobbies and how can we present ourselves, like defining with our introduction. Okay, so if you have any doubt you can text me. Okay, you can contact me, I will be there for always. Okay, yeah, just revise this part. Okay, then we'll continue from tomorrow. Okay, yeah, all right, adios.